Hello, dear 8th grade students. How are you today? Today's our topic is food and drink, and today we are going to learn some cooking verbs and write and speak about your favorite recipe and meal. So, let's start our lesson. Firstly, let's read and repeat some cooking verbs. Fry, mix, chop, bake, boil, grate, roast, spread, slice. Please try to remember these verbs. Okay, now your task is to complete the phrases using the following verbs: bake, roast, grate, boil, and chop. Okay, have you completed? Let's check together. Chop onion, spread butter on bread, boil eggs, grate cheese, roast chicken, bake a cake. Okay, now I have some questions. First question, what can you cook? Second question, what was the last thing you cooked? The third question, what's your favorite recipe? Please try to answer to these questions. Okay, now our pre-listening task. Do you like pancakes? And what do you like to put on them? Now, let's learn with Jamie Oliver how to make the delicious pancakes. Also, please try to remember the order of making pancakes. So let's start.
Hi guys, let me give you the most delicious recipe for fluffy, thick pancakes, which is so simple. First of all, put a pan onto a medium heat. Into a bowl, put 1 mug of milk, 1 mug of self-raising flour, white or wholemeal, and 1 lovely free-range egg. 1 pinch of sea salt and give a good whisk, and it will be a fairly thick, light batter. Lightly rub a pan with just a little butter, and then pour in enough batter to the size of the pancake that you want. When the batter's cooked around the edge and little holes have come to the surface of the pancake, have a little look under the pancake, and on the count of 3, a nice confident flip. As soon as it's turned, nice to give it another little rub with butter, and after 1 minute, you'll have a beautiful, fluffy, gorgeous pancake, ready to be taken sweet or savoury. So there you go guys, that is a foolproof pancake recipe.
Okay, now the task is to reorder the sentences. You need to write number 1 to 6 and put the sentences in order. Okay, are you ready? Let's check together. First, put a pan onto a medium heat. Second, rub the pan with a little butter. The third, then put into a bowl of 1 mug of milk, 1 mug of flour, and 1 egg. Next, add a pinch of salt. When the butter is cooked, flip the pancake. After 1 minute, your pancake is ready. Okay, now our reading and writing task. Firstly, what's your favorite meal? Is it breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Now, let's read the text together about favorite meal. So let's start. My favorite meal is breakfast. From Monday to Friday, I go to school early, so I have a quick breakfast. I usually have cereals with milk, or sometimes I have toast and jam. But the weekend is different. On Saturdays and Sundays, my dad cooks an English breakfast for everyone in our family. A typical English breakfast is egg, bacon, sausages, tomatoes, mushrooms, and baked beans. Then we have toast and jam. I drink orange juice, and my mom and dad drink tea or coffee. I love breakfast at the weekend because I have breakfast with my whole family. Now please pay attention to the linking words so, but, and because. So we use and before a similar idea. For example, I drink orange juice and my mom and dad drink tea or coffee. Because. So we use because before a reason. So when we give a reason, I love breakfast at the weekend because I have breakfast with my whole family. We use but before a different idea. I have toast and jam, but the weekend is different. So, before a result. From Monday to Friday, I go to school early, so I have a quick breakfast. Okay, now your task is to fill the gaps with missing words. So you need to use the words so, because, and but. Okay, are you ready? Let's check. First, I can't cook, so my dad cooks breakfast for me. Second, I would love to eat an English breakfast every day, but I don't have time. The third, he eats rice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You shouldn't have an English breakfast every day because it's not healthy. In my family, we drink tea and coffee for breakfast. Tim doesn't like meat, so he can't eat an English breakfast. Okay, and I think that you have completed all tasks correctly. Your homework is to write about your favorite meal or about your favorite recipe. You need to write about 60 or 70 words. Also, you need to use today's linking words and cooking verbs that we have learned together. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.